check engine lights. Yes. What's happening, fam? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's doing well. So from the intro you saw, yes, I got the new ones. These are the new convex mirrors. Look at the difference. These are the new convex mirrors from SubieBros that are equipped with the defroster function, Blindspot Detection, and rear cross traffic. So I'm gonna put the link for my other video up top. It's easy, you can reference that. I'll still show you guys how to take this stuff out. It's super easy, and this is so plug and play. It'll take you approximately a whole 5 minutes to get this shit done. So as I said, this is gonna be a really short video. As I said, I'll put the other one up top so you guys could click on it. The first video I did for them, it was with these same convex mirrors, so you can have a wide range of view, but it did not have blind spot detection or rear cross traffic. It was equipped with the turn signals on the mirror and the defroster function. So this has the whole shebang in one. This is for the 15 plus WRX and STI. You're definitely gonna like this. Also, guys, in the box you get both your mirrors. This is my stock one right here, so don't worry about that. They perfectly packaged. They have a left, they have a right, so obviously you won't get lost, but it's hard to mess that up anyway. And they even have some instructions. They have some QR codes right here with instructions. You can just click on them, but I'm doing the video for you, so it's all good, so you can see what's going on. Tools that you're gonna need, real simple: pry tool and a Phillips head screwdriver. As I said, I'm used to taking this stuff out so much that I don't even need to worry about it. So let's jump right into this. All right, guys, so getting into this install, you take your mirror from normal position, close it in like this. Just put your pry tool right in here like so. I could just use my finger now. You take out the bottom first. Bottom first. Then you hold right here, or you can swing the mirror like this if you like. Put your fingers right under here, and you pop the top. Now the same way you do this, you're gonna go backwards at the end. So now all you do is you take your Phillips head, take out this screw right here, this one right here, you let this hang. And all you're gonna be doing is you're gonna be doing a plug and play. So I'm gonna show you real quick. Let me just take this out. And all right, guys, so with that off, so now as we went over before, this mirror right here, it's an anti-glare convex mirror, and the field of view is freaking large. You could see a lot in this mirror right now, which is pretty dope. So even if people flashing you with lights at night and stuff like that, it's not gonna blind you. You're gonna be able to see, and your field of vision is huge, like when you have one of those circle convex mirrors on the side, but now this whole mirror is the vantage point. So now with this hanging right here, SubieBros is one of my sponsors. Guys, check out their website. They got a lot of dope stuff. Use my code or my name, Wicked Whips, for a discount. At least it'll help you out with your taxes or whatnot. You know what I mean? It's something. So now what you got to do is this here, this is the connector for these sequential LED and turn signals. So now all you're doing is you're disconnecting this right here, and then you're plugging each end, one in here, one in here. It's that simple. You get what I'm saying? Now the major thing is to make sure once you have that off, you push your mirror in all the way that it can go to the top. So you push it in on top. Over here, there's two tabs on the back of this mirror. So you put your hand over here. Just put that back like so. Put your hand back. Put your fingers underneath, and you're gonna pull towards you. You're gonna hear a little pop. Well, a big pop for me. Now, the two tabs to the top, it actually hooks into a plastic. So all you're doing is this. Just wiggle it out, and that's it. So this is what I was trying to tell you right here. These spaces right here, they insert into these notches right here, and then these tabs right here hook onto the top. So just be careful, guys. So now once you have the mirror out, you are going to disconnect this connector right here. This is for your blind spot detection, and these two connections right here, this is for your defroster. So you're going to just pull these two out so, and just unplug this. Okay guys, as I said, simple plug and play, nothing really difficult about this. The only thing is, as I said, I put one through here, one through here. Once you plug everything in, then what you could do is you're gonna take this harness right here. This is for the plug and play stuff, and make sure you run it, you put it behind this white piece. So you're gonna have to put it behind the white piece, okay? Just tuck it in behind. As long as you tuck it in behind, you're fine. So all that's left to do is these two black wires right here. These two black wires right here, you plug those back right in here for your defroster function. Okay, so I already have this hooked up right here. This is the blind spot detection and rear cross traffic. You already have the plug and play right here for your turn signals and the switchback. And then we just got to plug this in right here. So let me do that. I'll be right back in a second. All right guys, so again, before I button this up, I just ran one screw in here. So I tucked this one harness right here. The other harness is right here. And as I told you guys before, see the wire? I just ran it behind, so it's out of the way. It's out of the way. It's not gonna get pulled or anything like that. It's not gonna get caught up in this. And now, as I said, everything you do it backwards. See, I connected everything up already. So now I'm gonna hook these two hooks right here. They go in here. They go right under here, and they hook around like this. So you hook it up like that, just like that, and then you push in. Be a there we go. So what you're gonna have to do is, if you push in and it doesn't clamp into the bottom right here, you push this up again and you keep pressing and trying it until it goes in. And now we're good to go. Watch this. So this is the one I took out. Look at the field of view here, and look at the field of view here. Look how small I look in there. You see my daughter's car right here. Look at this. All you see is like big pictures. You get what I'm saying? Look at the difference. Look at how much you can see compared to this. So now we got best of both worlds here. You got a beautiful anti-glare convex mirror with turn signals built in. You have your defroster function, and you have your blind spot detection with rear cross traffic. So let's test this bad boy out. Oh guys, do I have to remind you guys, you're doing everything backwards. So remember, we took this one off right here, put this back on, boom, and then you put in the bottom piece last. Nice and easy. Yes, and that's it. All right guys, we're in the whip. The field of view is so big that you don't really need to adjust the mirrors that much. It's crazy, because normally I would be adjusting my mirrors a little bit like a lot out just to see, and you don't really have to because it's a convex mirror. The field of view is ridiculous. Let's test this bad boy out real quick. There we go. See it? I'm gonna show you that again. Once you start the car, you're gonna see the light for your blind spot detector light up. See it right there? That's it. So the blind spot detection is working. And check it out. When you look on the dash, like from the last time, there was not a check engine light, but there was like an information light saying that the blind spot detection and the rear cross traffic was disabled. So now you're not even seeing that. So I want to simulate rear cross traffic. So let me just do something real quick. Give me 1 second. Oh, you heard that? There it goes. It works. The rear cross traffic works because there was a car coming right behind me and it worked. All you hear was that beep, 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 and the blind spot detection will light up. I'm gonna try to simulate that one more time. Give me 1 second. All right, so while I'm waiting for another car, check these signals out real quick. That switchback is definitely freaking dope. Check out the passenger side. Yes, it is freaking crazy. Guys, I cannot tell you enough that this is such a dope feature because you don't understand. Look at the field of view that you could see on this convex mirror. You know, like on my truck Bruce, I have those circular convex mirrors. Oh, there's a car coming. Let's do it. He's coming. Check this out. Let's see if it works. There we go. So the rear cross traffic is freaking dope. All right, guys, let me just back this in. All right, guys, so I'm backing in the car right now. I will tell you that when you look, it's so crazy. When you look at this mirror and your field of view is so gigantic, it's a little bit trippy because it's not what you're normally used to. You know what I'm saying? It's like wearing glasses for the first time. It's like that, trying to get used to it. So it's pretty trippy because you're seeing so much in the mirror. You know what I'm saying? So again, guys, once again, dope ass product. Check it out for yourself. All the stuff works. No lights on the dash. Everything works as intended. Guys, like, subscribe, comment. Check out SubieBros website. If you're purchasing something from them, use my code WickedWhips for a discount. And I will talk to y'all soon. You guys are great. Take care of yourselves and your family. All right, guys, quick drive. Not gonna lie, there's so much room and so much of a view in this side mirror. It's insane. When you look in here and then you look over here and you see that much room, it trips you out. You have to get used to it. You gotta like literally drive for like a couple days just to get the hang of it. But it's so nice. Like, it's crazy. You put that mirror in, you hardly need to really adjust it to see what you need to see. That's what I was talking about earlier.